Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop Instagram sharing stories to Facebook. If you guys are getting annoyed already with your Instagram application, keep on sharing stories not only on your Instagram but also as well on your Facebook. I will show you how you can get rid of this. We need to do is go ahead and launch the option to share our stories. Now proceed with taking a photo like this. Now after this, I want you to tap on this arrow in the bottom right, and over here we have that option for you to change. The sharing options should be located under the settings, so just tap on your sharing option. It can actually proceed this disabling your feature to send or to post on your Facebook stories as well, or if you have it disabled already, the option for you to enable it should be located as here as well. So all we need to do is tap on this don't share this time, and now this option is disable sharing to Facebook confirm, and that's all. And now if you share the video, it won't be shared on Facebook. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel.